Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to apply the eyelashes. So here are some things I need to use during the procedure. So first, we have the eyelashes and eyelash glue and the scissors. So it's on now, and to make sure that this coral is how you wanted it, and just look from the size. And if you want it to be clear, you can use the eyelash color to make it look more obvious. So if I want it clear, just use this. To make it the core look stronger. So I think I'm done now, and you can see the difference between the size that I'm not wearing any eyelashes and the side that I'm wearing, and you can see the difference and how my eyes are looking. And this one is obviously huge, like the makeup and stuff. And also, if you wanted to enlarge your eyes even bigger, even stronger, you can put some mascara on the bottom of your lashes, like here. And also you can put some eyeshadows to make it look like your eyes are bigger. Yeah. So there's a little tip for you. If you want your eyes to look longer, sharper, you can put the end, this side, a little bit higher than actually your eyelid is, like this. That's what I'm always do. It will make your eyes look longer and bigger.